guys, welcome back to my channel, the Paxton Creek Garden. Today we're gonna show you how to start seedlings for So while I'm making these seedling trays, please take a minute to like, subscribe and share this channel. Also press bell icon so you get regular update from our channel, and thank you for your support. And there we go, my seedling trays are ready. I have made total 8 trays with 6 cells in it, and now we're gonna show you the seeds I got. And before that, we will label some ice cream sticks to put them into the trays for seedlings. That way we remember what seedlings are growing. And here are my labels ready on ice cream sticks. And now we're gonna show you all the seeds. Open up the packets. These are fresh seeds. I got them for this year, and we'll start to put them into these cells, and we'll put 2 to 3 seeds per cell. Some of the seeds are very small, so we'll be careful, but here we're gonna start with marigold. I have a marigold. I bought it from a Dollar Tree store. It has a mixed variety, yellow and orange. These are supposed to be very nice marigold, real big flowers, and we'll see how they grow this year. This is the first time I'm trying these seeds, so they should be good. And here you can see the seeds for the marigold. The seeds are usually in the bottom of the flower, so you can actually harvest your own seeds. So for next year I'll just harvest my own seeds, that way I don't have to buy them. Now you want to start a marigold flowers seedlings 6 to 8 weeks before you want to put them outside, before the last frost. 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. It's a warm weather plant, and it likes sun. So here in Pennsylvania zone 6B, I'll be putting them out around mid-April or early May. I'll be planting them outside, so I'm gonna start them here around February 4 today, and we'll just grow them for next month and a half or 2 months inside under grow light. So I'm gonna put 2 to 3 seeds, as you can see, in each cell, and we'll keep all, or maybe one. I'll try to separate them if they all germinate. In Marigold's case, generally all the seeds germinate, so you have good germination rate, so you can separate them very easily once they grow. So I don't try to prune additional seedlings. I will separate them. I'll make an additional video on that, so stay tuned for that. And here I'm done with the last seed. I put it into the cell, and now we're gonna show you the Periwinkle seeds. This collection has a white, pink and red flower seeds mixed. I really like Periwinkles. If you are in the climate zones around Texas and Southern California or Florida, they can grow all year long. They like all seasons. And here in Pennsylvania zone 6B, I'm gonna grow them starting May, so I'm gonna start their seedlings. These seeds are very little and tiny, so you want to be careful you don't drop too many. It doesn't hurt, you can always prune off extra seedlings, but you just want to make sure you don't waste any seeds. So here you can see the seeds. They are dark color, real tiny seeds, a little bigger than amaranth or other seeds like that, but still you gotta be careful not to drop too many in cells. So here we'll show you in my hand how the seeds look. And I'm gonna put 2 to 3 in each cell. Please remember to put any leftover seeds back into the packet and seal it up. And here is the eggplant variety I'm gonna prepare. I'm gonna open it up. It's called Mukta. I got it from friend, and we're gonna plant them during summer. It also likes 6 to 8 weeks before you want to put it outside, plant it in the field. So we'll just start them now around February 4th. Eggplant likes 60 to 70 degree weather, and it produces really good eggplants. These are mid-size variety, which makes delicious recipes. So I'm gonna open the packet. These are treated seeds. I do recommend treated seeds. They won't harm you. It's nicer because it has a higher germination rate and it won't have a fungus problem. So here you can see the eggplant seeds. Now these are also considered really tiny seeds, just like pepper seeds or tomato seeds, and you just want to be careful not to drop too many in the cells. So just put 2 to 3 seeds, and that's about it. So now I'm gonna start to put these another variety that is from Fairy Moss, called purple long variety, early purple long variety, and this is also a good variety to grow. So I'm gonna start some seedlings for that one, and we'll see how they will grow. So these are really good variety too. You should definitely grow them. We're gonna put again 2 to 3 seeds, and early long purple variety seeds are really tiny. They are even tinier than the one that I showed you earlier. So you want to be careful not to drop too many. You don't want to waste any seeds. You can always use them next year. And so here it will show you the seeds for them. These are not chemically treated, I think, and they are organic, so good for health. Those seeds don't have to be really organic. It's the method you grow the plants that has to be organic. So but I just got organic because that's what I saw on the cells. Here we're gonna put 2 to 3 in each cells. So there we go. I'm gonna put extra in the bag again, and there we go. Now you wanna push them about a 1/4 inch inside the cells, and then put some starter mix or seedling mix or potting mix, whatever you got, and that's how you will do it. So always sow your seeds about 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch, depending on the size of the seeds. If seeds are this small, you want to put them 1/4 inch. If they're bigger, then maybe 1/2 inch, or depending on the guidelines. You can find them on the seed variety packets, so go by that. And all seed variety packets also show you how the zones and when to plant in your zone, when to start seedlings, so go by that. I'm just pushing them approximately 1/4 inch here in each cells, and then just using the same potting mix to cover them, and they work out fine. then as you push the sheets down, you can also cover them with your fingers and pack it a little bit so they don't move when you water, and that kind of thing you want to be careful with. And here we go, all the cells are ready. Now I'm gonna take them to my watering station, which is my sink. So I'm just gonna put them in the tray and take them to the bathroom. That's where I water. I have this seedling starter rack in the middle of my equipment room, so we'll just go down there and put some water. And I think I mixed up some of the seeds, so I'm just gonna sow one more set of Periwinkles here, just to make sure that they do germinate as a Periwinkle. So if you make a mistake, don't hesitate to redo your showing, and just that's why we try to label it. So always make sure you label it as soon as you drop seeds. That way the mix-up doesn't happen. Now they are ready to go to the watering station. So here are we at my sink. I'm just gonna make warm water on the cold side, not too cold, about room temperature, not warm either, about room temperature water. So that's what I'm filling, using combination of hot and cold water, and I'm bottom watering them. And bottom watering is always recommended, that way the seeds don't move out of place, and that kind of thing doesn't happen, and potting mix or the seedling starter mix will absorb the needed water from the bottom to top, and you will have a completely moist and watered cells. So now I'm back at the rack, seedling starter rack, and I'm gonna put them back on a heating mat. Heating mat is really recommended. It really jumpstart your seedlings to start early and germinate early. It really reduces the time frame that your seeds germinate in. So please use them. It's really recommended. And here we go. All the seeds are back on the heating mat, and we'll just water them regularly, keep the surface moist while they germinate. And that's about it. I'll just show you all the seedlings that we are germinating now and growing, and some of the elephant leaves that we are tissue culturing on our rack. And I'm making a video on tissue culturing the elephant leaves, so stay tuned for that. Here are my bell pepper that we seeded earlier, and they are growing beautifully. So that is it, folks, for today's Paxton Creek Garden. We'll see you next time. Please share, like, and subscribe.